Hello and welcome. I'm Alex and we're back in the shed. My next projects are going to be a couple of hammers. First is a ball peen hammer, which I very much like. That's just going to get a quick renovation and a quick tart up. And the other is some kind of masonry hammer that I've had knocking around the shed for a long time, and that deserves a little bit of a tidy up and a proper restoration. So we'll see how that goes. This masonry hammer stroke pick hammer is going to be the first. It's got some writing on it, which I'm not sure how clear that is, but you can see it there. I think it's WG, WO, WN something. First things first, I'm going to knock the head off it. That's the worst of the rust off them, so I'll pop them in a solution of deoxy to get rid of the remainder of the rust. Then we'll see what that looks like in 24 hours. I think the best thing with the actual handle, because the head didn't fit very well, so I need to take a lot more off. So I'll do that with a rasp initially, but I'm going to go at it with a 40 grit sandpaper to start with, get all these years of grime and dirt off it. So far it's coming along quite well, I think. Cleaned the letters W and G out with my Dremel. These, I'm not entirely sure if they're supposed to be anything. I don't think they are, because on the head it just says stamped W, W and G. So I'm going to fill those in using some of the powder I've used for sanding off and some wood glue. So we'll get that mixed up and hopefully it'll work out. So I'll leave that overnight, let it all harden off and then get it sanded back down again. The idea is hopefully that it won't look as obvious as just using normal wood filler. It's had a final wire wheel in and cleaned with my favourite product, acetone, and now I'm going to give it a quick going over with the perma blue. Now that that one's done, it's time to get on to the second part of my little video. So this is a ball peen hammer, and that's a pheasant. I got this in a job lot of tools a couple of years ago, and I've just loved it. It's just really been a nice hammer to use. So I'll crack on with a bit of wire wheeling and show you what it looks like in a bit. This is not something you'll normally see me doing on this channel. I've decided to make an exception for this hammer though, seeing as I like it so much. I'm just going to try and get a few of the little dings out with a bit of a file down and polish it up then. So there we have it, second hammer finished, and I'm really pleased with this one. It is going to be my daily hammer. I've given it a quick paint around the edges and whatnot just to finish it off, so I think that that looks pretty good. Hope you do too. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.